You ask, where is this Jesus we've heard about so long? Don't forget he's very patient to save you from your wrong. Repent and he'll forgive you, prepare for that great day. When you hear the trumpet blow, friend, you'll sure be on your way. Here you go. But the angels up in heaven do not even know the hour or the day when the trump of God will blow. He said, keep watch, for no one knows the hour or the day. Be ready for the trumpet sound, let's all be on our way.